we'll play with the sum or difference of cubes formula. If you're in my classes, this is what I sometimes call the SOAP formula, so you can use the SOAP. So in the first example, we have x cubed plus 27y cubed. You have to first recognize that this is two cubes. The first one is x cubed and the second one is 27y cubed. So let me start off by writing that down below. This one is x cubed and this one is 3y cubed. Now if you're fortunate to have the sum or difference of cubes, then the factoring always looks the same. The factoring is going to look like the first piece inside of the parentheses, the second thing inside of the other parentheses, and then over here we have the x being squared, we have the 3y being squared, that's a 9y squared because 3 times 3 is 9, and y times y is y squared. And then we have the product of those two things. The x and the 3y's product is 3xy. The way to determine what signs go in between these is, well, since it was a plus sign to begin with, we do the same sign, then we do the opposite sign, then the last one is always positive, hence SOAP. Same, opposite, always positive. So this sign is same, S. This one is opposite, which is the O. And the back one is always positive, which is the AP. Okay, let's see if we can do this again. So over on the right hand side we have 64a cubed minus 125b cubed. This is 4a quantity cubed minus 5b quantity cubed. So when we come down to our factoring, we can take the first thing, which is 4a, the second thing, which is 5b. 4a times 4a is 16a squared. 5b times 5b is 25b squared. And then in the middle, 4 times 5 is 20, and a times b is ab. So we have 4a, 5b over on the left, and 16a squared, 20ab, and 25b squared on the right. What are our signs? Well, our beginning sign was a minus, so we put the same sign, then we put the opposite sign, and then we always put a positive sign. So this is the final answer for this difference of cubes. So why don't you try one on your own, just for practice. Try 8c cubed minus 1. And assuming you paused the video and gave it a shot on your own here, let's see, 8c is 2c cubed, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, minus 1 cubed. So if we try to use our formula, put the 2c, put the 1, 2c times 2c is 4c squared, 1 times 1 is 1, and the product of 2c and 1 is 2c. What signs are we going to use? Well, since it was a minus, we'll use the same minus sign, then we'll do the opposite, which is a positive sign, and the last one is always positive. So the final answer should be 2c minus 1 multiplied by 4c squared plus 2c plus 1.